when it dies.
Why do I have 2 napkins? I already got a napkin.
Oh no, these are extra, baby.
No, Mom. The meat.
I want one.
That's right there.
See, Mom, the meat. The meat is part of the squid.
It still is?
Yeah, because all the squids have the meat.
They all have meat?
Yeah, because that's the thing in the thing, so they don't know.
They don't know they have meat? Keep copying me laughing at it.
That's so goofy.
Tate, tell us about the squid again.
Bye.
Because I missed part of it.
She went upstairs.
I'm gonna
The squid.
guys.
I think we got.
Hold on. Wait, hold on. He's going to tell us about the squid.
Guys, talk about the squid with me, okay?
Okay.
The squid doesn't have meat, right?
Right.
The squid does have meat, but when it does in the ocean, doesn't have meat of potatoes.
That's potatoes?
Yeah.
What do potatoes have done?
But meat have of the ocean. And uh-oh, I gotta get the phone. I'm gonna get it.
Let's just wait.